I'm going to tell you about our deep cleansing balm. It's part of the Phyto Exquisites range, so obviously it has the rose, neroli, and jasmine. Now, this is a deep cleansing balm, so it cleanses deeply, but it also has a balmy effect which nourishes the skin. It has that wonderful, wonderful smell of the Phyto Exquisites trademark. And then it has black currant in it. You can smell the black currant and beeswax. Now, because it has beeswax in it, you will need to just pop it in some hot water in the winter months because it's quite solid to get and to try and get it out is quite difficult. So I've got a bowl of water here and I've just popped it into the water just to soften it up a bit. There we go. My face is clean and dry. So you apply it to your dry skin and give it a good bit there so that you can got a lot to work with. I like to have a lot to work with. Then it has bamboo microspheres in. So what you do is you just start in circular motions and you start to exfoliate. You'll go straight low down, maybe your face starts over here. So make sure that you start at the bottom, work your way up. And this you'll do about twice a week. This is not a daily cleanser for a daily routine. It's an exfoliation. And then because of the beeswax, it actually nourishes your skin, almost like a mask would. Okay, so it's little microspheres. You'll see it's got a little bit of a shine to it because of the beeswax. And then also, you won't even see those. It's not like a harsh exfoliation. Because it's got microspheres of bamboo, it's really a very fine feeling on your skin. And you will then massage it in circular motions, as I said before, which then causes a micro blood circulation. So you might find that your skin appears a bit red as well, but it's because of the blood that's going into that area to go and repair the skin. And then obviously the wonderful essential oils and plant extracts also do their work by going into the skin. So I would suggest take a Saturday or a Sunday when you have some time and do a whole entire facial routine just to treat your face and get ready for the week ahead. Right, so I've now exfoliated my entire face. You can take obviously as long as you want. I then take a cloth, which is damp, and I dip it into warm water. Because of beeswax, it doesn't come off that easily, so you have to use a warm, damp cloth. So you will then wipe it all off, and when you've finished, you'll actually feel how soft your skin feels, and also very nourished because of the beeswax that's actually gone and fed and nourished your skin. Your skin becomes more supple. You can actually improve the skin tone as well just by using the product regularly. So get your hands on the deep cleansing balm. It's truly a great investment. Thanks for watching.